much. Female contestant number 36. Thank you. Next in line, female contestant number 37. Hi, judges and everybody. I have female contestant number 37. What is your name?
Princess Kiana and Nava po.
Princess, what talent are you showing our judges today?
Dance po.
Magda-dance daw siya. Music is ready? Yes. Once again, female contestant number 37. Thank you so much, female contestant number 37. Thank you.